What's up everybody, my name is Philip Landell. I'm a Swedish author, gardener and now also hobby photographer. This week I'm heading over to Gotland to visit my father, who's a big bird enthusiast. So hopefully during the week we'll get some really nice bird photos. And yeah, the sun is already starting to go up. I got my equipment with me, so it's time to head over to Stockholm to meet my father up, and we will take the ferry straight to Gotland. So yeah, let's go. So we are in the car and next stop is the ferry. And this is my lovely chauffeur, my dad and the bird enthusiast that I've been talking about. We have reached the south of Gotland and this is where I'll be staying for the week. And the first thing we're gonna do now is to drink some coffee, eat some buns that I have baked myself, and then tonight, when the lighting is better, we're gonna head out and hopefully catch some nice bird photos. It's almost 6 o'clock and it's time to head out for the first evening. And my father has promised me to see an eagle, so that's what I expect. So it's about 5:30 and the sun will go up in about 30 minutes. So I decided to go to Faluden, a place by the coast. And yeah, I'm not sure what I will find, but I want to be there when the sun goes up, so it's time to get going. So the sun just went up on the horizon and I just arrived at the sea and it's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Not really sure where I want to go now. We have the sea behind me, but also the sea behind me over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk down the road, see what we can find. It'll be great. I just had to stop because there was so much skilla here. It's like a blue sea on the grass. The sun is starting to get into position and it's time to head out. So we're ready when the lighting becomes right.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
I actually just saw an eagle, but it wasn't a very far distance. But I've seen 2 eagles today at least, so that's nice.
Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach.
The sun has just gone down and it's starting to get a bit cold. So it's time to head home for dinner. And yeah, we go again tomorrow. So it's around 5:30 and it's time to head out. And today it's cold, it's about 1-2 degrees and really strong winds, or not really strong but quite strong winds. So yeah, it's gonna be cold, but hopefully it'll be worth it. This sign right here says that there's a bull somewhere around here, but I actually don't think that's the case. I'm kind of looking left to right to see if there's a bull around, but so far so good. I can see the sea down there, so it's like maybe 400 meters left to walk. Just some minutes ago, and I'm sitting drinking my coffee, and I look out the window and I see that it has begun to start snowing. So yeah, that's April for you in Sweden. The weather is just getting worse, more and more snow, but I think it will cease soon. It was just a full out like hailstorm. But the weather changes so quickly. So it's day number 3. Or 4, I'm not sure, but I think it's 3. And it's time to head to Hoburgen. It's a really cool looking cliff at the south of Gotland, the very most southern point. And yeah, it's cold, it's -2 degrees, but there is a clear sky, and then time soon the sun will go up. So it's time to go. We have arrived at Hoburgen, which is a cliff over there, but apparently you're not allowed to take footage of it. over there. The eagle disappeared somewhere over this top, so I'm gonna climb up now, see if I can catch it. So it's time to head out again, and tonight it's cloudy, but we've been lucky so far, so I don't complain. And yeah, it's not as cold, so that's nice. And tonight we're going to Nisseviken, a place on the west coast. So yeah, let's go. So I just saw an eagle again. Yeah, it was a far distance and I had the wrong lens on. I managed to get a short video on it. Yeah. It's a new dawn, and this morning we're heading to Ekstakusten, which is the Eksta coast on the west side of Gotland, around the middle parts, but a bit south. So yeah, it's not much wind, it's about 5 degrees, cloudy, but still calm and peaceful, so yeah, I think it's gonna be a good morning. So during the expedition this morning, I got aware that my sensor or my camera house has gotten some dirt in it. So yeah, I don't have any cleaning kits with me, but I searched the web and I got in contact with a lady here on Gotland, the south of Gotland, which told me to come by her place at 2 o'clock. So yeah, that's where I'm heading now. And yeah, she seems really nice, so maybe something good will come out of this. We'll see, but yeah, that's where I'm heading right now. So I've just been to this lady, who turned out to be the chairman of a photo club at the southern parts of Gotland. And yeah, she also turned out to do ceramics and also Sami-inspired crafts. So yeah, it was a quite cool experience. And she showed me the works she had done, and I actually bought this mug of clay that she had made. So yeah, really happy for that one. Gonna keep it as a memory of when I almost, well, not destroyed the sensor, but at least made it dirty and tried to clean it with a microcloth. It's almost 7 and it's time to head out. And it's been a busy day, so I'm going out a bit later than usual. So today I'm just going to the pastures around the house, because yeah, as you can see, it's a really nice evening. It's both warm, not much wind, and also we have the sunset going on. So yeah, just gonna walk around, see what I can find. Standing outside this church right now, and there's really so many churches at Gotland. Like when you go with the car, you see them passing by all the time. Yeah, it's quite cool. So far this hobby has actually been beyond expectations, I would say. Yeah, there's really nice to just go out in the evening, in the morning, gather new images, experience the nature. So yeah, it's a great way of getting to be outside. So yeah, if there's someone out there wondering if you should start doing photography, I would say yes. It's really nice. I can really recommend it. It's a new morning, and as you can see, it's going to be a really nice sunrise. And now we're heading to Holmhällar, which is a place with some really cool looking stone formations called Raukar. And yeah, that's where we're heading right now. We just had to stop here because there are probably hundreds of herons who's nesting right over here. So they're flying over this field into the forest to gather material for their nests. So yeah, see if I can get a clean shot of them. That's Holmhällar for you. And yeah, it's been a beautiful morning, but now it's time to head home for breakfast. The sun is setting and it's time to head out again. And tonight we're going to Stockviken, where apparently there is a watchtower. Because I've been thinking lately that maybe walking around isn't the best way to take photos of birds because you scare them away. Probably wearing a yellow jacket isn't the best either, but it's comfy, so I'm gonna stick with it tonight. And yeah, so I got my binoculars with me, and I'm just gonna stay at the watchtower all night, and it's time to go. Just arrived at Stockviken, and the watchtower over there behind me is where I'll be spending the sunset. So yeah, it seems like a nice spot to be. And here are some info signs about the birds that you can see here. Would love to catch a photo of an owl someday, but probably not tonight. But who knows? But most likely not. Time is just weird when watching birds because it's already beyond 8:30 and the sun will set any minute, and yeah, I need to go home. So this morning it wasn't the alarm that woke me up, it was actually the wren, and I've been noticing it jumps around on the roof of the house the last few days, and I guess it was just outside my window. It's quite cool because it's the smallest bird in Sweden and still it can produce that sound. And also there are some starlings behind me here. So yeah, I think that this morning the birds are really on fire, like more than they've been the last few mornings. Anyway, today is the last day actually. So yeah, a week has gone by really quickly, and yeah, I have discovered almost the whole south of Gotland, but there is one place on the east coast that I haven't been to yet, so that's where I'm heading today. And yeah, then during the day there should be some horned grebes on at a place not far away from here, so I'm gonna go there. And then for tonight I have a little plan, and we'll see if it works out. But yeah, first stop is the east coast of the south of Gotland. So I just arrived at Gotland, which was the destination for the morning. And on my way here, there was some fog rolling in, so that was quite cool. But not sure if it will stick around, probably not. So most of these parts are apparently restricted. We're not allowed to walk on them at this specific time, because the birds are nesting. But there's a trail leading out a watchtower that you're allowed to walk to, so yeah, gonna go there. So it's past lunch, and since it's the last day, I really want to make the most out of it. So that's why I'm heading out already now, back to Falun actually, because there is a website in Sweden which is called Artportalen, which is like the species portal, where people report when they find birds at specific locations. And apparently there's been ruffs sighted at Falun today, and also the black-tailed godwit, which is quite unusual. And yeah, you can really notice that the wind has changed, because it has been northern winds during the whole week, and it's been quite cold, not so many different kind of birds. But now when the wind is coming from the south, there are more birds passing by on their way to wherever they're heading. So yeah, follow them now, and then later on the place where I hope to see the horned grebes. And yeah, that's the plan for now. So that's it for Falun at the moment. Now we need to head over where hopefully the horned grebes are, because we only have a certain amount of sunlight, so it's time to move on. So I was really lucky, because I went there to the location they had been spotted, and they were there. I was on one side of the pond and they were on the other, but they were a bit curious, so they actually came a bit towards me at some times even. So yeah, got some really sharp photos of them, so yeah, really happy for that. And yeah, now it's time for the next stop, and I'll see you there. So right now I'm sitting in the car by the coast, and I had a plan for tonight, and that was to buy a camouflage net. I had been in contact with a local hunting equipment store, and I had asked them, do you have camouflage nets in various sizes? And the guy that runs the store said yes. And when I went there, they had one size and it was too small. But yeah, the plan was to go back to one of the places I've been seeing eagle, and then just sit there under the camouflage net the whole evening and try to get really close and try to get those sharp images that I haven't got so far. So yeah, that was the plan. Now the plan has changed a bit. I'm still going back to where I saw the eagle, but without any camouflage. So probably won't be getting as close as I want to be, but we'll try. So yeah, that's it. So that's where I saw the eagle the last time, and yeah, that's where I'm heading now. Gonna go up this way and then just go all the way over there. I can see why there are a lot of eagles here, because there are loads of bunny holes around and loads of bunnies as well. I've seen them all walking around here, like hundreds of them probably. This is probably my favorite spot so far actually. Like, the view is just amazing. So that's it. That's the last evening. Yeah, really couldn't have hoped for a better ending, really. The eagles didn't show up, but that doesn't matter, because this place, it's called Husryggen, really is something special. So if you visit the south of Gotland, I can really recommend this place. But anyway, yeah, a week has gone by already. I've really learned so much about photography, and yeah, I've seen some really nice places. Yeah, it's been a good week. There's nothing more to say really, and really looking forward to learning more about photography and visiting other places. So yeah, but that's it for tonight, and tomorrow I go home. So yeah, that's it for Gotland this time.